tend to remind myself that I can't whack it quite as hard as I usually would. But it's like, oh, that's right, I'm higher. So just take a little slower. Found them and said, why a few? Just because that way if somebody says, do you have any?
Yeah.
And I can say, well, I don't have a lot, but I have this. And they usually are excited because, unless you go to really expensive, you might find somebody that's...
We avoid blood at all costs.
Well, there's nothing like for people say, "Oh, just throw it back." I'm like, "Let me do this first." And they're like, "Why?" I'm like, "Because when you reach in there and it goes on your fingernail, they go." Yeah, I'm like, "Yeah." There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. To work on that, but
Okay.
it's only me, so
It's all good. No, I understand. I just saw that and I'm like, whoa, I've been looking for one.
I actually sold 4 of them this time.
I have.
I just happened to hit 4 different people who fit one or the other. It was like,
I've ordered them offline, but they never fit. So
yeah.
I do need to keep going. I got to go and give her a break. Uh-oh, you're getting in trouble again. I think he likes you. Namaste. We'll talk to you guys later.
Take care.
Okay.
no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're sticky like a hippie in the summer. You're like syrup in the slushy tray. And one touch of you and I will never leave, 'cause I believe I can't get away. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Hold on to me, and hand we'll follow. Hold on to me as if you had a choice. I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle